Are you looking for the best mobility scooter? In this video we will look at some of the best mobility scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Vive Mobility Scooter. Our first product comes from Vive Health, known for its health-oriented products. It offers various products that assist a user's recovery stage from an injury. Designed with precision, its product range guarantees the best performance. The Vive Mobility Scooter is a heavy-duty unit. This scooter has excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor surfaces. Due to its durable construction and design, the scooter can easily carry 265 pounds anywhere. All four wheels of the scooter sport an 8-inch tire that offers a superior grip over any surface. The scooter can easily reach a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, shortening the overall time required to cover a certain distance. Being an electrically powered unit, the scooter features a rechargeable battery. With a single charge, the scooter can travel up to 12.4 miles. For added comfort, the overall riding height is over 15.75 inches. The rotatable seat enhances the driving posture and allows easy driver access. It also has a control panel with all the necessary functions and details. Safety features like a headlight, a horn, and a battery level indicator are also provided. Number 2. Enposmre USA Mobility Scooter. Our next product comes from the wider portfolio of Enposmre USA. They manufacture various accessories and equipment related to musical and recreational applications. Many consumers have reviewed its product range for its good quality and durability. The Enposmre USA Travel Pro Premium Mobility Scooter offers improved maneuverability. This is a 3-wheel unit with a shorter turning radius. This scooter has a top speed of 4 miles per hour, along with sharper turns. With this speed, the overall transportation time lowers. You don't have to worry about recharging the scooter's battery due to a claimed range of 6.3 miles on every charge. Speaking about the weight capacity, it can easily bear a load of 275 pounds. The design of this scooter supports transportation and can be quickly disassembled into 5 pieces. The maximum weight of these disabled pieces goes up to 27.5 pounds only, making it easy to carry anywhere. For a comfortable riding experience, the height can be adjusted up to 17.25 inches. The seat is fully padded with faux leather to absorb the vibration from the road. It also has an adjustable armrest that helps keep a good posture while riding the scooter. Number 3. Drive Medical Mobility Scooter. Built on the principles of providing quality life to its consumers, Drive Medical has developed various products. Focusing its development process on new technology offers a perfect blend of innovative healthcare solutions. The Drive Medical SFSCT 4EXT Spitfire Scout 4 Mobility Scooter features 4 wheels. It features a 20-hour battery which delivers an excellent driving range of 15 miles. You don't have to worry about overloading the scooter due to its load-bearing capacity of 325 pounds. It has a top speed of 4.25 miles per hour, suitable for outdoor usage. The scooter can maneuver through any tighter space and helps you reach your destination in less time. Both front and rear wheels have 8-inch tires that offer a superior grip over the road. To suit the rider's ergonomics, this unit features an adjustable height. The foldable design of the seat and armrest adds comfort and practicality to the scooter. The scooter can be easily transported by simply dismantling it into 5 small pieces. The delta-shaped handle design prevents the user's hand from getting fatigued. Number 4. Pride Mobility Scooter. Pride Mobility is one of the popular designers and manufacturers of mobility solutions. It has a variety of products in its portfolio that various physicians approve. Driven by modesty and talent, it works toward enhancing consumers' lives. The Pride Mobility S74 GoGo Sport Mobility Scooter is one of the high-capacity scooters on the list, with a maximum weight rating of 325 pounds. This scooter can easily accommodate an adult user with extra luggage. Being an electric scooter, it is fitted with an 18-hour battery. This battery can cover a distance of 14.5 miles on a single charge. To reduce the traveling time, the scooter can reach a top speed of 4.7 miles per hour. For improved stability and grip over the road, the scooter is fitted with 9-inch tires. These tires add a ground clearance of 3 inches to the scooter. Due to the collapsible design, this scooter can be dismantled into 5 pieces, with the heaviest part weighing over 44 pounds. The handlebar design keeps the user's hands relaxed, preventing fatigue. It features LED lights and a charging port for emergencies in low light conditions. Number 5. Metro Mobility Scooter. Metro Mobility is an expert in designing and developing vehicles for those with disabilities and mobility challenges. Metro has introduced various products that help these people become self-sufficient. These products qualify for all the quality and performance parameters of consumers. The Metro Mobility Folding Mobility Scooter offers a powerful performance. It features a 300-watt motor for quicker acceleration. As a result, the traveling time is lowered thanks to a top speed of 4.97 miles per hour. Along with good speed, this scooter can easily carry a weight of 265 pounds at a climbing grade of 8 degrees. A turning radius of 42.5 inches makes it maneuverable between the tighter corners. The rechargeable batteries offer a commendable driving range of 10 miles on a single charge. The scooter features larger 9-inch tires that keep it stable on various types of roads. It has luxury leather seats, a backrest, and padded armrests for comfortable rides. The seat height can be adjusted as per the user's command. For easy transportation, this scooter can be dismantled into 4 different pieces, with the heaviest piece weighing just 55 pounds.